to IT networking. So do not show any uh, icon your screen. So press Windows plus I. Okay. Otherwise you just click Windows E. Then guys click to this PC, C drive, user, which user you using, select this one, options, view, show hidden file, select this and then OK. Then go to app data, then local, Microsoft, Microsoft, in Windows, and then Explorer. So Windows, then Explorer. So guys, this is icon cache. So you select all, no, icon, select only icon cache. Okay, and then delete. One by one try. Okay, I do your solve your problem. And secondary solutions, guys, uninstall your probability app, run in that antivirus scan, create new user, check for icons, disable your tablet mode, disconnect your second monitor. Okay,